Well, I was wondering what to do for an hour while the carrot cake was baking, and then the light bulb turned on in the dim recesses of my pea brain. What is carrot cake without frosting? It's merely a cake. Not a magnificent, baked, delicious explosion, which is what happens when you add the cream cheese frosting. So I'm going to use an 8-ounce container of KiteHill cream cheese. I love it. I love KiteHill just about everything. It's just about, I really don't know anything that KiteHill makes that I don't love. So there you go. There you go. Don't worry, I wash my hands. Promise. Then I'm going to add 4 ounces of Miyokos, oh, let me grab it, Miyokos butter. So it's half the box, right? And we're just going to put that into the Cuisinart. And I'm going to just, you know, rough chunk it up a bit just to make it go easier. Quick work, right? I will pop this into the fridge after I make it, just to keep it nice and firm. Okay. Bye-bye. I also use those paper from the butter, and I grease things with it. So if you want to save those. I used to work in a restaurant in Vail called the Left Bank. Hello, Luke and Liz Meyer. Remember, where are the turtles? That's an inside joke with me and Luke. And anyway, so he used to save the butter wrappers and grease his pans with it. And I thought it was really smart. He's a smart man. So I'm going to add a ½ cup of powdered sugar. Is that too much? You know what? I'm going to do ¼ cup. Somehow I can always add more, and I'm making this up, so sorry. Sorry about that. Let's do a ¼ cup. ¼ cup of powdered sugar. And then the other thing I'm going to put in here is the zest and a little bit of juice of an orange. So I'm just going to zest the orange. And get all that delicious citrusy flavor in that. Oh, this is falling apart. Time for a new one. And then I'm going to cut the end. This is a cara, but I'm just going to put a little bit of citrus juice in here. Just maybe a tablespoon. I don't want it too liquidy because I want this to froth up. Okay, drum roll, please. Let's hope I didn't mess this up. Let's see what happens, right? Maybe I'll pulse it. Looks good. I'm surprised. Yeah. You can do a little pulsing so the chunks get incorporated. Let's check it out. Well, more sugar. So I'm going to put another, so I was right, a ½ cup. ½ cup of powdered sugar, not a ¼ But see, now I know. Now let's try it. Oh. Yes! Yes, queen! Oh boy, that's not gonna suck. So I'm gonna put this in a little bowl, tuck it into the fridge just so it stays solid until I can get that cake out of the oven. And definitely have to put this on a cooled cake. You can't put it on a hot cake because it'll just melt, right? So anyway, now I'll be back with the finished creation. See you soon.